Yun po, so tuloy po natin yung biscuits slash crackers series. So meron po akong Skyflakes dito, 1 pack din lang po. It says 25 grams dun po sa packaging niya, no? So yeah, dating gawin po. So what we'll do is kuha po muna ng blood sugar reading. We'll eat the Skyflakes and then balikan ko po kayo after an hour and see kung ano po yung spike sa blood po natin. Yan. Yun, sakto. 105. So, kainin ko po si Skyflakes. After an hour, balik po ulit ako and we'll see kung ano po yung blood sugar spike. Yun na nga. So, inabot na ako sa Lazada. Naghatid kasi ako ng anak ko sa school, yung anak kong bunso, no? So I decided to yield and take ng blood sugar measurement because it's been an hour simula nung kinain ko yung Skyflakes na. So let's go ahead and do the blood sugar measurement or blood sugar reading. Here you go. Okay. Oh. Okay, here you go. I hope malinaw sa video. Yan. So 154 po yung blood sugar reading po natin, no? 1 hour after eating the Skyflakes. Isang pack lang po yun, 25 grams yung nakalagay sa pack nung Skyflakes. So I'll see you after an hour. Bye-bye. Yun po, so final reading na po tayo ng blood sugar level for today. We'll see kung ano na po yung final blood sugar level after eating Skyflakes. So 1 pack lang po yung kinain natin today, 25 grams. Ayan, so back to normal na po siya, 109, no? Well, kapareho po nung release ko kanina. Pwede naman po, no, kung 1 pack lang. Kasi yung release ko kanina, after 2 hours, buba ng 137 yung blood sugar ko eh. Ito naman 109. So this is, you know, this is a good eat actually. Provided, 1 pack lang. Wala nang ibang kakainin, yun lang. So if you decide to take it during breakfast, then that's fine. Kasi after 2 hours, bababa naman siya ng, you know, less than 140, which is yung threshold natin. Pero if you eat, let's say nag 2 packs ka, 3 packs ka, then that's a different story. Yun, so yeah. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.